Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by reclaiming resources. Close all Chrome tabs and apps you do not need, and aim to free about 500 MB or more of RAM so Roblox can breathe. Next, switch to a wired connection or move to a 5 GHz network to cut latency if you are on a crowded 4 GHz channel performance drops. Once done, check Chrome OS updates and restart the device so the OS applies fixes. Make sure developer channel is a deliberate choice and back up your data first. Now you tune both Roblox and Chrome OS. Open Roblox settings and lower graphics to low or 480p, cap frame rate to 30 to stabilize performance, and turn off fancy shadows. Next, test hardware acceleration in Chrome. Some Chromebooks gain, others stutter. Toggle it and compare. If you decide to use crossfam tweaks or experimental Chrome // flags, follow a verified step list because incorrect flags can break stability. After each change, relaunch Roblox and note frame finish by ensuring system software is current. Apply Chrome OS updates, firmware, and any GPU driver patches. Up-to-date code often fixes performance regressions. Power cycle the Chromebook and test Roblox on a fresh user profile to rule out profile corruption. If you still see lag, try a factory reset as a last resort, but export important files first. One troubleshooting tip: if problems continue after reset, capture a short screen video showing the lag and reach Chromebook or Roblox support with that clip for faster diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.